We've come to the Lake District. We've got 24 hours to see how much we can do. I'm Sam, this is Grace, let's go! Quick stop, because Grace keeps telling me it's famous for gingerbread.
It is! We're going to find some.
If you find it, I'll buy it. Where's this gingerbread then?
I'm going to find some. There's going to be some here soon. Found it. Thank you.
We got it!
Into the wild, into the wild I go. It's a beautiful venture, leaving the world I've known. I wanna break free, I wanna dive deep into where I've never been. I wanna fly high, yeah.
Just kayaked across Grasmere and we've come to our own island. Watch this.
The weight is off my shoulders, I'm daring and I'm bold. The way ahead is open, oh, oh, oh. Why it's only the beginning, I'm feeling like I'm home free. I spread my wings and go.
We've been in the Lake District now for 4 hours. We've been to Windermere, Grasmere, we've kayaked on Thelmere, and we are now climbing a mountain.
So Blaine Capra, here we come. Well, that's the mountain done. What next?
Watson?
Into the wild, into the wild I go. It's a beautiful venture, leaving the world unknown. I wanna break free, I wanna dive deep into where I've never been. I wanna fly high, yeah. Into the wild.
We're finishing our day by the river, getting eaten alive by midges. Literally like biting my head. But yeah, been the best day.
Best
Peace
day.
out. Morning!
Morning.
So it's 7 AM, we've got 3 hours left of our 24-hour adventure challenge.
We're heading over to Honister Slate Mine to take on their Via Ferrata Extreme. And the forecast is also extreme.
It's gonna be fun.
Fun indeed.
why.
Good morning. So we've come to the Lake District, have we?
Yes.
Oh, right.
We've just got here. We've been driving 3 hours.
What are we doing? What are we doing here?
Okay, what are we doing?
We've come to the Lake District today, guys. Everyone. We're heading to.
How much? How much? Do you want to talk or shall I talk?
I don't know.
You're the funny one. Like, say something funny.
Grace and Sam. Graham.
Sam